I am the resident of Old Goa, and today we passed a resolution saying that we are opposing to the garbage treatment plant at Bangini, Old Goa. And second resolution we passed in MSC is to protect the old fortress wall of Old Goa at Bangini in the garbage treatment plant. We had given some technical points saying that the site they selected is on the top. And surrounding within the radius of 200 meters, there are many residential areas. Plus schools are there, one MUT is there. And one hospital also, 200-bedded hospital is there. So there are a lot of reasons to oppose this. And second, it is a world UNESCO site. The world UNESCO monuments are just around something within the 2 kilometer of radius of the garbage treatment plant.
गार्बेज प्लांट आमचं जावचो ना म्हणून आमी लोकां बरोबर आसा ओपोज घेतलेलो आसा
पंचायतीन अपोज केला
पंचायतीन सगळ्या लोकांनी तेंच्यांनी कितें सांगलां हायकोर्टान चला म्हणून आमी ते सांगताले आमी वयतलीच न्हू
तर तिणी ते टॅक्निकल पर्सन अपॉइंट करपाक लायला मागीर आमकां हेचेर एडवोकेट कार्ड म्हणून सांगला तशें मागीर जे प्रमाणे ग्रामसभेत घातला त्या प्रमाणे करतले.
दुसरे वटेन कोलवा ग्रामसभेन लोकांनी ड्राफ्ट कोस्टल झोन मॅनेजमेंट प्लान भायर मारपाचो म्हूण थाराव घेतलो.
Coastal zone management. People are objecting because coastal zone management plan म्हणतात तो एका सुद्दां कित्याक लोकांचे स्टेक होल्डरांमध्ये हाडून डिसायड करपाचो पेपराचे हेजे गॅलमेंट जाय जावपाना तें इट हॅज टू बी ब्रॉड बिफोर द पीपल एंड एक्सप्लेन देम आतां लोकांचे भितर जे घरान नाय म्हणटा लोक सो दे हॅव टू कन्सल्ट द पीपल. I am not living in shelter, but people, fishermen, they are all documented. They are staying since they are birth. They are staying there. But if they discuss, where will they go if they are not sure? Development should be done, but not at the cost of the locals. Locals should they have to have their say on this regarding the plan.
Bureau report, Prudent.